from you, and you despaired because you were not able to find the secret. But now I shall reveal this secret to you. The key to Japanese language. How you will be able to understand the language and to watch anime in the original language and understand what they are saying. Understand that most of the dialogues are trivial. No, that's another topic. Sorry. But I want to do something today. I want to tell you something about Japanese language and what are the good approaches to this language. How can you learn this language? I will separate this video into different parts because my recording software is not really good. Anyway, let's get started. At first, I want to tell you something. Most people they start in the complete wrong way. It's very difficult. Where shall I start in the language? What book should I buy and what should I do in general? Well, it's a bit difficult, to be honest, because there are lots of books outside. I started with a wrong book myself, so I know that it's difficult to find a good book. I can't suggest you a book, but okay, I can, of course. Actually, I can. I used the book Bunka, which is a Japanese textbook written in Japanese language, and the grammar is not really explained. So you need a teacher to learn from this book. But another book you could use is Genki. I heard lots of good stuff about it, but I haven't checked it myself, so I can't assure you that it is really good. But as far as I heard, it's good, so you can try this out. So find a good book. First step, find a good book. You've done well so far. Now you have your book, but where shall I start? And what should I do to learn the language? How much effort should I put in it? Well, that depends on how fast you want to learn the language. If you want to be very fast because you want to go to Japan very quickly, I would suggest you to take a course somewhere. Go to a language school, go to your university. If you are near university, there might be some lectures of Japanese language and you can get everything for free. You just need to buy the books. So I would suggest you this if you are near a university in which Japanese language is taught. And if you can go to the lectures freely as I can. Okay, now you have found, you just started, so you made a good start. You have a book and you know where to learn it. And now if you want to learn it rather slowly, I would suggest you to start with hiragana and katakana first and start to read Japanese texts. After you finish hiragana and katakana, or while learning them, start to read Japanese texts aloud. It helps you a lot to get a good pronunciation and to keep your fluency and to improve your fluency of the language. Okay, now you have just bought a book. You know what you should do if you want to learn it fast, and you know what you should do if you want to learn it slow. Learn hiragana and katakana. It's very important. And now a difficult question. What shall I do about kanji? Well, I would suggest you, there are different opinions on this, but I would suggest you not to start with kanji or not to start with lots of kanji. Start slowly with kanji because you can learn them over the time and you will get into kanji over the time. But if you start too quickly with it, it might turn you off the language at all, so you might not be willing to learn more. So I would suggest you to start kanji, but do it slowly. Learn one kanji a day and try to find a good method how to learn kanji. But if you want to be quick, I would suggest you to study them by heart, create good stories to the kanji because they're mainly pictures. So if you have a good story for a kanji, use the story and you might memorize the kanji better. But I can tell you one thing. Even if you have the best method, the trickiest method in the world, you can't learn kanji without effort. So you have to effort a lot to learn kanji, and there are lots of them. So good luck doing so. But believe in yourself, and then you can do it. No problem. Other people did it as well, so you can do it. Okay. And now you have just come close to start the real learning process of studying grammar and getting into conversation. And this will be I will tell you about this in the next video. So